Get this Toro recycler, 22-inch front wheel drive, 6.5 horsepower mower, and it is in need of a cable. So we are going to change out the drive cable. If somebody did their own little backyard fix on it. So what's going on there? You know, that's what they do, tie a knot in these cables, or in this case, put a half a pound of solder on it to hold it together. Now, I did go ahead and I had another Toro that wasn't using a cable at the moment, so I took the cable off. It's sitting right there, and I've loosened up the 2 screws on there, loosened up that little handle thing right there, see that? And we will pop it up here on this handy dandy jack stand, get it up in the air. I'll show you exactly where the 2 screws are so you can do them and what size they are. Screws are, there is one right there, and then right on this bend you can see the screw right there. So 1 and 2. So there's like this little indentation right here, and that, if you follow that straight up, that's where the screw will be. And this is what they look like. So these screws, these are screwed into plastic. So please don't use power tools on them and strip out the plastic. And they are 3/8. So take those 2 screws out and your cover will come right off. Just like that. Get down there, put your screws inside there so you don't lose them. Just like that. Put your 3/8 in there. It's good. Now, the next thing we want to do, we are going to unhook this. So this right here, you can unhook that with a pair of pliers. So how that works is, if you get these pliers like this that has a little bend in them, they're nice. So you can pinch that right there and then push that through. Just like that. And that'll pop out. Then it'll slide over. You can unhook your spring. So now that is unhooked. We're going to follow this cable up. It is hooked inside here, so I have this loose. And it's compy-wampus around this thing, so we're just going to have to cut that off. That's what we're going to do. So I didn't even have to cut it. I just kind of twisted it and it broke. So it was ready to break anytime. And then took that out of there. Take your cable out. And it is released. There we go. And it is starting to rain. See the raindrops? So now we are going to install our good one. We're going to run it up through here. Like that. It's going to be connected in there. We are going to take the spring, put it in here, like so. We're going to pull that slack out. There's the slack. And we are going to slide this inside there. So it just snaps right in. Just like that. So that's good. This is coming up here like it should. This is going to be undone. Put back down inside there. and then we will connect that Z-bend in there. Alright, we got that tightened up. Our Z-bend is put in there. Follow the cable all the way down. Looks good. Let's go ahead and put our plastic cover back on there, and then we'll put our 2 screws back in. Our new cable installed. If you guys ever want to buy a lawnmower and you want to test the front wheels, so when you spin the front wheel like this, you should hear it click. So that tells you you got a good front wheel. Alright, let's go ahead and start it up. We'll see if I can hold this and pull that at the same time. Go ahead, somebody pull it. Alright, so our new cable is working fantastic. Back to normal. Toro recycler 22, changing out the drive cable. Simple and easy. If you guys like this video, I have plenty more videos out there, so hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and get notified every time there's a new video.